Hi guys, I hope you're well. Making bread is pretty simple, and today I'm going to share with you a beginner-friendly recipe. Enjoy. Our ingredients are pretty simple, guys. We do have 3 cups of flour right here, a 1/4 cup of warm milk right here, 1 cup of warm water here. We do have 2 tablespoons of sugar, or you can use honey. We have 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter here, and then we do have a tablespoon of active yeast. Make sure it's active, yeah, or newly purchased. Yeah, we have a tablespoon of salt right here. So let's get started. The first step is to activate our yeast. Yeah, so in a bowl we're going to put our yeast and then add our lukewarm water. This is to activate the yeast. Mix that up well. So we're going to cover that with a clean cloth and place somewhere warm for at least 5 to 8 minutes. In this bowl, we're going to add our flour. Then add salt to it and mix that. So once you see some bubbles on the surface of your yeast or in your bowl, that means it's ready, it's activated. So now we mix into our bowl. So we're going to add our milk, add our sugar too. So I've decided to use my hand. So at this point we're going to add our butter. So as you can see, these are the results. It's a soft dough. Yeah. So we're going to cover this and let it sit for at least an hour. Yeah. Guys, our dough is raised well, so we're going to give it a very light punch before we proceed to knead again. Lovely. Yeah, so we're going to transfer it to the surface, a clean surface, and then roll it up. Some flour, just sprinkle some on the surface, then I'm going to roll it up into a rectangular shape. to grease our pan. Transfer our dough into the pan. Like that, and then let it sit for at least 45 to 50 minutes to double in size. So when our dough is almost ready, we're going to preheat our oven for 10 minutes. That is at 175 to 180 degrees. That's fine. Yeah, so the timer for 10 minutes, and make sure the heat is coming from top to bottom, like so. So as you can see, guys, our bread is well raised. Yeah, this is a better angle. Yeah, it has doubled in size. So we're going to place it in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes, maximum 40, depending on your oven. In the middle, yeah, cover, and then set the timer. Please make sure they're okay. Yeah. Here is our bread. A little bit burnt, but it's okay. So we remove it from the tin. Wow, just perfect. Tin is clean, nothing is in.